Hi everyone, this is Truship and welcome back to my video. Today we will discuss how American Revolution happened. So let's begin. In 1776, 30 new colonies declared independence from the mightiest empires in the world. But how did a group of farmers and merchants and traders accomplish this difficult task? This is the story of how American Revolution took its shape and a fight for the freedom. The story of American. By the mid 1700s, the British ruled over 30 new colonies in the Americas. But after the heavy French and the Indian War, the British announced Stamp Act of 1765 and many other taxes, like the Stamp Act or Tea Act to pay its debts. The colonists have no say in these rallies, so their rally became no taxation without representatives. Colonists dumped 342 tea cups of tea into a party known as the Boston Tea Act. The British responded with hard and harsh acts, but the colonies had enough. So in 1774, they declared a war against the British and formed a new Central Congress to unite against the British Empire. And the stage was set for the revolution. On April 19, 1775, the stage was set for the war. The troops fired at Lexington and Concord. The British too marched at the colonial, but they were met by farmers and traders because of the American Revolution. The British retreated, but soon after Congress elected its first leader. George Washington now was commanding the entire army. In 1776, new colonies took a harsh decision, and on July 4th, they declared independence from the British, adopting Thomas Jefferson's Declaration of Independence. But declaring independence and winning a war was two different things. The war was brutal, and the colonists had many weapons, but often they were unmatched and were outnumbered. Key battles turned the tide. In 1777, America won the decisive victory at Saratoga and made France their ally in this war. In 1781, France general and their navy helped trap the British governor, General Cornwallis. After a long war, finally British surrendered. After 6 years of fighting, the colonists had done the impossible. In 1783, the Treaty of Paris officially ended the entire war. And in 1787, the founding fathers of the new constitution implemented a new government of the people and for the people. American Revolution inspired most of the world, especially Latin America. But the revolution promises weren't fulfilled for everyone. Some enslaved people and native tribes were forced to work on the same menial jobs. But today, the America is a grand cut green. And an American Revolution is an inspiration for many countries. But it also reminds us that the freedom and justice is never free. It requires hard work, courage and sacrifice. The British country withdrew and America made great advancement and landmarks of the world. If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanking you and thanks for watching this awesome video of the America's history.